Now, this is how you can find notes on iPhone that disappeared. Let's get started. So if you open up the Notes application, you can see that you are most likely in one of the folders like that, and you can browse your regular like notes and whatever, right? And if you just come back or click on the folders icon or the back arrow in the top left corner, you get to a place where you can organize them or see them a little bit better. So this is where you can most likely find them. If you can notice that you have deleted it, you can open up the recently deleted folder and then you can recover that note and make it appear in your main section. Or it also is possible that you are browsing a one folder, but you can come back in here and switch to a different one, and a whole new set of notes is available to you right now. And in my case, as you can see, I have two sections. There is the iCloud and local on my iPhone storage for notes. And in order to manage them, you can see that they work or are stored in different places. So if you use iCloud only and some notes disappeared, it might be because some different device where you have the same iCloud account, on that device you might have deleted that note and it also disappears from here. Or it's possible that if you get inside of your iCloud settings, that the notes syncing has been turned off. And this might cause some notes to disappear, right? Because, you turn off the syncing, then the iCloud notes simply go away and you end up with only the locally stored ones. So that's something to keep in mind. Make sure that you have it synced properly. And yeah, that's basically how it works. If there are some other things you might have some struggles with, then leave a comment below. Let me know about that. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hopefully you found it useful. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.